Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I trimmed my hair, and I'm going to be chatting on my next hair experiment. So I initially wanted to do the ponytail method of cutting hair, because I actually trimmed my hair I think a week ago or thereabouts, and then I flat ironed my hair some days ago. So after flat ironing my hair, I realized that I still had some thin ends. Meanwhile, my hair strands are actually thin. That's from the roots is actually thin, but I noticed that the ends were thinner. And then I noticed on my previous watch day that I had a lot of hair breakage. Although after deep conditioning my hair, I noticed that the breakage reduced, but I wanted to be on the safe side and trim my hair, so I trimmed it, as I said, the last week or thereabout. But after flat ironing my hair, I still noticed I had thin ends, so I decided to trim it again. And I noticed that my nape area, as you can see, the ends are so thin, and I want to be starting a healthy hair journey in 2021. So I would just like to start on a clean slate by trimming, or rather at the moment I'm just dusting my ends. If you noticed, I twisted two portions of my hair, and those two portions have been color treated. I color treated them about, I think, on the 31st of December 2019. I did it with the aim of knowing my hair's growth rate, and after knowing my hair's growth rate, what am I going to do with it? Yes, what I want to do is I would like to formulate realistic hair goals. So while trimming my hair, I just realized that there's more I can do with this color treated part of my hair. I can still do another experiment or do another observation. For your information, if this is the first time checking out my YouTube channel, what I do in this channel is that I experiment with hair, and I try to prove or confirm hair theories, hair myths, and the likes of that. So the brilliant idea that came to my mind is that I will try to nurture my color treated hair until the last of it falls off. And when the last of it falls off, I can now estimate my anagen phase. Anagen phase is a phase in the hair growth cycle in which your hair grows, and from what I read, it ranges from 2 to 6 years, and it could be more. So if I have a short anagen phase, then I would not dream of being Rapunzel. But if I have a long anagen phase, then I know that my dream of being Rapunzel can come true. So what I'm going to do is that I would nurture the ends, the color treated ends, very well, and keep on observing until every bit of it falls off. And by the time it falls off, say if it falls off at maybe the 3rd year, then I would also know that, oh, when I multiply the number of years by my hair's growth rate, then I'll know how much my hair can grow within that period. Because really, some of us are going under mental stress trying to grow long hair. I don't want to discourage, but we also have to put some facts straight. There's a genetic aspect to growing your hair, and if your anagen phase is short, then there's no need to cry for long hair. Really, it's nice to have long hair, but there are people that are rocking short hair and are looking very beautiful and smart. So that's how much I cut off. I know I digressed a lot, but I think it was simple. You just snip the ends of your hair that look thinner than the rest. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and make a comment also.